Welcome to Kids Tech Academy. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create your own space battle game using Pictoblox, a graphical programming software. Check out our introduction video to learn more about Pictoblox. Kudos to the Stampedia organization. If you're new to this platform, please subscribe to our channel so you could get notification for new videos and other tutorials. Wow, what a beautiful game. Let's go straight to how you can create yours. Input your title on the taskbar, which is Space Battle Game. Don't forget to subscribe and also to give us a thumbs up. Having done that, let's go to the backdrop menu and pick out a suitable backdrop for this project. There you go. Now we'll proceed to the sprite library. Get our sprite. We'll be using a space rocket. You can type space rocket on the search button, or you could just search for it. Having gotten it, we move over to, we click on the stage to get to the backdrop so as to merge the rocket with the backdrop. Yeah, we have it now. The rocket is part of the backdrop, as you can see. We proceed to reduce the size. You should be able to do that now. Let's go ahead to pick other sprites. We've gotten out our bullets and also the monster. In this game, the space rockets will be shooting out bullets that will be attacking monsters that are dropping from the space to prevent them from getting to planet Earth. Now we want to create, let's say the top part of the planet Earth, just to represent planet Earth. There's a line sprite in the library. Click on it and take it over to the costume area so we can adjust it. By changing its color. First of all, let's enlarge it by increasing the width. Go to the paint bucket and change the color to a light blue. It's a sky blue color. Back to the paint bucket, and this time around we are picking out a green color to put patches on the blue. To give it an earth-like design. You could even make yours curvy to make it look like the outer part of the earth. So there you have it. The space rockets trying to prevent monsters from getting down to earth. Here are your codes. Your code should look like this. Take your time and go through the codes. There's a code for the space rocket. And there you go, the code for the bullets. And proceed to the monster because the line has no code. For the monster, a particular block has to be different for each monster. Pay attention to the cursor. You can see the negative Y, a 7. For other monsters, it changes. Some are 2, 3. So that they can fit in. And here's the game. If you have stayed on to this level, means you're enjoying it. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you could get notifications for other new videos and tutorials. Thank you for visiting us at Kids Tech Academy. We look forward to seeing you in other tutorials. You can drop your comment at the comment section if you have any difficulty in replicating this game. Thank you so much and stay blessed.